Start. No doubt, some leeway is given for the government inefficiencies, but the sad part is that the authorities keep on relying on judicial pronouncements for a period of time when technology had not advanced and a greater leeway was given to the government. Collector Land Acquisition Anantnag and another versus Mr. Kartiji and others 1987 2 SCC 107. Stop. This position is more than elucidated by the judgment of this court in the office of the Chief Postmaster General and others versus Living Media India Limited and another 2012 3 SCC 563, wherein the court observed as under para. It is not in dispute that the persons concerned were well aware or conversant with the issues involved, including the prescribed period of limitation for taking up the matter by way of filing a special leave petition in this court. Stop. They cannot claim that they have a separate period of limitation when the department was possessed with competent persons familiar with court proceedings. Stop. In the absence of plausible and acceptable explanation, comma, we are posing a question why the delay is to be condoned mechanically merely because the government or a wing of the government is a party before us. Stop. Para. Though we are conscious of the fact that in a matter of condonation of delay, when there was no gross negligence or deliberate inaction or lack of bona fide, comma, a liberal concession has to be adopted to advance substantial justice, comma, we are of the view that in the facts and circumstances, comma, the department cannot take advantage of various earlier decisions. Stop. The claim on account of impersonal machinery and inherited bureaucratic methodology of making several notes cannot be accepted in view of the modern technologies being used and available. Stop. The law of limitation undoubtedly binds everybody, including the government. Stop. Para. In our view, it is the right time to inform all the government bodies, comma, their agencies and instrumentalities that unless they have reasonable and acceptable explanation for the delay and there was bona fide effort, comma, there is no need to accept the usual explanation that the file was kept pending for several months slash years due to considerable degree of procedural red tape in the process. Stop. The government departments are under a special obligation to ensure that they perform their duties with diligence and commitment. Stop. Condonation of delay is an exception and should not be used as an anticipated benefit for government departments. Stop. The law shelters everyone under the same light and should not be swirled for the benefit of a few. Stop. Considering the fact that there was no proper explanation offered by the department for the delay except mentioning of various dates, according to us, comma, the department has miserably failed to give any acceptable and cogent reasons sufficient to condone such a huge delay. Stop. 8 years hence the judgment is still unheeded. Stop. We are also of the view that the aforesaid approach is being adopted in what we have categorized earlier as certificate cases. Stop. The object appears to be to obtain a certain of dismissal from the Supreme Court to put a quietus to the issue and thus say that nothing could be done because the highest court has dismissed the appeal. Stop. It is to complete this formality and save the skin of officers who may be at default that such a process is followed. Stop. We have on earlier occasions also strongly deprecated such a practice and process.